Hello everybody. Just confirm I've got the right ones by taking the top off and having a little smell. Yes. The thing to remember about anthocyanin is that it's sensitive to pH. So, going to pop the cap on nice and tight, give it a shake, get it all over the table, and hey presto, look at that.
One in the top left corner, Leonardo da Vinci, and the one in the top right corner, Isaac Newton.
Ooh, both very good guesses. Hedy Lamarr, as well as being a Hollywood actress, she kind of came up with the ideas and the technology that would later be used for Wi-Fi.
If you identify yourself as being only either creative or scientific, you're doing yourself a big disservice.
If you think of yourself as maybe not very scientific because I'm not very good at maths or I'm not very good at remembering things, some of the most important scientists, some of the most important contributions have actually been creative ones. Now this might look like some old computer game from when I was little, but it's not. It's actually computer graphics from a long time before I was born. He's now the director of Pixar, Disney Pixar. Okay, this lady is a lady called Ada Lovelace. She actually invented, believe it or not, computer programming. And again, this was before the computer had been invented. She basically invented it all in her head as an idea. This lady is called Wanda Diaz-Merced. But when Wanda started to lose her sight, she realized that she could turn that data from the telescope into music. And we've learned all sorts of things about space that we didn't know before. And computers can only really do what they're told. They can't learn for themselves until now. How spooky was that? That was like a ghost movie or something. So the next time when you go home tonight and there's something about vaccines on the news and they're talking about the different kinds, you can explain to your parents exactly what the different kinds are and how they work, because you'll know. And that's about it. Thank you very much. If anyone has any questions, then I'd be very happy to hear them. If your teachers would like to unmute you.
Who was the scientist that created the word science?
That is an excellent question. We get a lot of our words, including the word science, from the ancient Greeks and the ancient Romans. Other than that, I would have to Google it. But it's quite possible that we don't know because it was so long ago. A great question, though. Thank you.
How do you know the difference between safe chemicals and unsafe chemicals?
That is a very interesting question. The scientific literature, it's called. And this is basically a collection of all the science that people have ever written down. So we know which chemicals are safe and which are dangerous, usually because someone else has written it down. And if we don't know, then we test it and we write it down so that future scientists will know. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Happy sciencing.